is Rose Jolibois, and today I am proposing my experiment on testing the protective effects of progesterone-based birth control product against the Zika virus infection. My total proposal cost is $729.83. So why would I run a test like this? We've all been on vacation where we've been bitten by the mosquito. But now mosquitoes are carrying the Zika, which is a deadly virus. So I propose that using progesterone, which is found in many birth controls, to treat and block the infection of the Zika virus will work. I will be using mice in my experiment. There has been several experiments conducted pertaining to progesterone, blocking sexually transmitted diseases. And now that Zika virus can be transferred via male semen, I know this experiment will work and be the forefront of vaccination for the Zika virus worldwide. This is the chemical formula for progesterone, which I am using in this experiment. So if you don't know, the Zika virus is now constituted as a public health emergency and has grown rapidly around the globe. To be diagnosed with the Zika virus, you need to see a doctor. And when you do have the Zika virus, symptoms are mild and last less than a week. They include fever, rash, joint pain, and red eyes. So the reason I wanted to use the mice is because using vertebrates in the lab works well, and you can see how you can clearly vaccinate Zika virus. I recently found a study where they used Depo-Provera, which is a form of progesterone to treat genital herpes simplex virus. And they did use the mice, and it was proven to work. And the mice who were injected with not only the Depo-Provera and the genital herpes seemed to not even experience genital herpes at all. So within my experiment, I do plan on properly treating the mice at JSU's lab in Martin Hall. When working with the mice, I will have 4 which will be housed in an aquarium. Within the aquarium, all 4 will be given the Zika virus. And two out of the 4 mice will have progesterone. The Center of Disease Control and Prevention has placed Zika at a biosafety level of 2. So standard laboratory precautions will be taken when doing this lab. I will wear a lab coat, I will have gloves, I will have shoes, closed-toed shoes, and I will also have bleach, which works well in killing the Zika virus if it was to be brought onto any surface in the lab. All 4 of my mice will be, of course, like I said, housed in an aquarium. They will all be female and be from the same litter. Female because I would not want male and female together so they don't produce. And I wouldn't want those from different litters to fight each other. So when it's all female, same litter, we will have a safe environment in the aquarium. Once I inject the mice with Zika and those with progesterone, I will closely monitor them for a month. So to test the mice for Zika, I found that using the tears of an infected mice contains a lot of genetic material. So I know a lot of genetic material from the virus will be in that tear. Once I get that tear, I will extract DNA, run it on the gel to see if the progesterone actually works. If I am given this money to work with progesterone, Zika virus, and the mice, I'm hoping by January of 2017, I will obtain funds and purchase supplies. By March of 2017, I will predispose the mice to progesterone and Zika virus here at JSU Martin Hall. On April 2017, I will test the mice for the Zika virus. And by May of 2017, I will complete the experiment and do all the necessary write-ups. I know for sure that this experiment will work, and if given a chance, I can actually test it out and show the world that I can actually come up with a vaccination for the Zika virus so that when we all go on trips and vacation, we don't have to worry about getting bitten by a mosquito.